can't speak for all suppliers. I can speak for us. And Stellar Brands is an exceptional franchise. My name's Chuck Violand.
I'm John Monroe, and I am the Director of Consultants. And as Chuck said, we've been working with Restoration One since January of 2022.
Well, we are suppliers for a lot of different organizations, but something that's special about Stellar Brands and Restoration One in particular, because that's who we work mostly with, it's the leadership of the organization. It's also the culture that the organization has and the values that they have. And it just so happens that their values coincide very closely with the values that we have as an organization.
We're having a great time getting to see everybody. We just sat down at our table had council. We had all the guys here from Texas sitting with us having lunch, and it's just like, a great family event for us. Anytime you're sponsoring something, you're supporting the group. And we believe in the Stellar brand. We believe in the Restoration One brand especially, which is the one we're most involved with. It's a chance for us to support them. They've supported us throughout the year by giving us the peer groups that we represent for them, their boot camps, and then other events that they've had us get involved with them on. So it's a great chance for us to come back and really contribute back to them and help them build their network.